Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to install a brush assembly on a shampoo spot remover unit. You want your brush straight out from the unit, that way you can spin it without any problem. All lines and wires go through the hose shroud. This is a silicone lubricant spray. Inside your unit is a swivel nut. All lines and wires have to go inside through the swivel nut. Once again, use your silicone spray. Firmly twist clockwise to start your hose. You want your hose inside about an inch above your swivel nut. Then you take your set screws and install them in the swivel nut. Now you'll use the silicone spray once again. And bring your shroud up to where it lines up with the bolt holes. Okay, you will first look for your line that has a blue mark at the top and is marked air for your air line. And you will take your air line coming from your compressor with the barrel on it. You will insert into the bottom coupling of your barrel. A full turn and 1/4 is sufficient. Now you will take the other 2 lines, which is your spot remover and your shampoo, and either one, it does not matter. One will go to shampoo pump and the other will go to your spot remover pump. Now you will take your 2 wires with the forks, red forks on the end, and you will bring it up and you will attach them to the terminal. Cable ties makes it neater and keeps them out of your way.
Kleen-Rite.